In this video, we are going to discuss about the Lewis structure or else Lewis dot structure. We are going to see how to write the Lewis dot structure of an atom. Let us see what is a Lewis dot structure. In Lewis symbol or Lewis dot structure, what we are going to do is we represent the valence electron of an atom of an element in its short form. What we are going to do is nothing but we are going to represent the nucleus and the inner shell of an atom by the symbol of the element and the electrons present in the outermost shell by dots or the cross marks. Here the question arises is why we are going to use Lewis dot structure. What is the necessity for drawing the Lewis dot structure? Remember that the electrons which take part in the chemical reactions are the valence electrons, and to know in detail about the valence electron we require the Lewis dot structure. If we understand the Lewis dot structure, we understand how many number of valence electrons are present in an atom and what number of electrons are taking part in the chemical reaction. Let us see how to write the Lewis dot structure. In Lewis dot structure, what we are going to do is nothing but simply we are going to represent the nucleus and the inner electrons by the symbol of the element and the electrons present in the outermost shell by either dots or by cross marks. Here we have prepared a table form in which we have shown how to write the Lewis dot structure. The first box represents the atoms, the second box represents the electronic configuration of the atom, the third box includes the valence electronic configuration or as the valence electrons, the number of valence electrons present in the atom. In the last box we are going to show how to write the Lewis dot structure. Let us take an example first. The first example which we are going to see here is sodium. In sodium, as you know, the atomic number of sodium is 11. The electronic configuration of a sodium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. If you see here, the valence shell electronic configuration of sodium is, as you know, in the last video we have discussed the valence electrons are nothing but the electrons present in the outermost shell or else valence shell. If you see here, the valence shell electronic configuration of sodium is 3s1. Here the number of electrons present in the outermost shell is 1. So here we are going to represent that one electron as a cross mark on the symbol of the sodium atom. As you know, the symbol of a sodium atom is Na. Why? Because the Latin name of sodium is natrium. The symbol of the sodium atom is extracted from its Latin name natrium. As we said earlier, the symbol of the element represents the nucleus and the electrons present in the inner shell, whereas the electrons present in the outermost shell is represented by dot or cross. Let us see the second example. If you see the second example here, we are going to take as carbon atom. As you know, the atomic number of carbon atom is 6. The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Here the outer shell electronic configuration of carbon atom is 2s2, 2p2. As you know, carbon atom has two shells, first shell and second shell, and the second shell in carbon atom is the outermost shell and the electrons present in the outermost shell are 4 in number. We are going to represent those 4 electrons around the symbol of the carbon atom. This is the Lewis dot structure of carbon atom. In third example, we are going to take oxygen atom. As you know, the atomic number of oxygen atom is 8. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Here the outer shell electronic configuration of oxygen atom is 2s2, 2p4. The total number of valence electrons in oxygen atom are 6 in number. Those 6 electrons are represented around the symbol of oxygen atom in the cross form. As we said that we are going to represent the electrons in the outermost shell either by dots or by cross marks. In Lewis dot structure, you can represent the number of valence electrons in the form of dots or else in the form of cross marks. Here we have taken cross marks. The last example which we are going to see is neon. Neon atomic number is 10. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and the valence electrons present in the neon are 8. And the valence electronic configuration of neon atom is 2s2, 2p6. Here we are going to represent those 8 electrons around the symbol of neon atom in the Lewis dot structure. Remember, Lewis dot structure is important because it represents the valence electrons present in an atom around the symbol of the atom, which helps in knowing the number of electrons taking part in the chemical reaction.